B7, just B7, and D7 chord, G, C7, E minor. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3, bar 4, bar 5, bar 6, bar 7, bar 8, 9, 10, 11. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe me, set the bell on all option for enable notification of new posts. Thank you so much. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. EM chord, 6 sound, E, B with 2 finger, E, 4 string with 3 finger, G, B, 5 sound. B, E open, B on 5 string with 2 finger, D sharp with 1 finger, A on second fret of 3 string with 3 finger, B on 2 string is open, and last note is F sharp on the second fret of 1 finger, 1 string. Next chord is D7. Fifth fret of 5 string with 3 finger, and 4th fret of 4 string with 2 finger, and 5th string of 5th fret of 3 string with 4 finger, and D note with 1 finger. Third string of third fret of second string. Next chord is C7. Third string of third fret of 5 string with you hold with 3 finger, E on the second fret of 4 string with 2 finger, A natural on 3 string with 4 finger, and last, and C note first fret on 2 string with 1 finger, and E is open. G third fret with 1 finger, 2 finger on 4th fret of 3 string, and G on 4 string with 4 finger, and 3 finger on 4th 5th fret of 5 string. D. That is D. Okay, I hope this works.